CVE 2022-30190 is recently released by Microsoft on May 30th. What does the CVE do? What is the threat? And what can we work around? That's what we are going to see in this particular video. This is your host Yagnesh Malavya welcoming you on this particular channel. As you see on screen, the website that I have opened is Microsoft Security Update Guide. The link you will find it in the description, and also I have shared more insights about this particular URL in the previous video. Also the link on that previous video is in the description. So CVE 2022-30190, as we see over here, this is mapped with Microsoft Windows Support Diagnostic Tool MSDT Remote Code Execution Vulnerability. The summary is a remote code execution vulnerability exists when MSDT is called using URL protocol from a calling application such as Word. So this is a Microsoft Support Diagnostic Tool that is called. An attacker who successfully exploit this vulnerability can run arbitrary code with the privilege of calling application, and then the attacker can then install programs, view changes or delete data, or create new accounts in the context allowed by the user rights. So if I click on this particular link, I will get more information on this CVE 2022-30190, the same information we spoke. And over here, to overcome this particular threat, the workaround is provided where to disable the MSDT URL protocol by following the steps mentioned, where we need to log in the command prompt as admin, export the registry key, and then execute the delete registry key. Also, if you need to undo the workaround, here it is mentioned. Also, this particular threat is updated in the signature of Microsoft Defender Detection and Protection, where it's mentioned that Microsoft Defender Antivirus provides detection and protection for possible vulnerability exploitation under the following signatures using detection build 1.367.719.0. So these are the signatures. MESDT A and MESDT.B is created, which blocks the MSDT command line, and this is the signature which is added if this Microsoft Defender antivirus is active. Also, there is a FAQ which is, does protected view and application guard for Office provides protection from this vulnerability? And the answer is that if the calling application is Microsoft Office application, by default Microsoft Office opens document from internet in protected view or application guard for Office, both of which prevents the current attack. So basically answer is yes, it is going to prevent this particular attack. So you will get this entire information in the link that I will provide in this particular video. And if you like the content, the knowledge that I'm sharing, then please like and comments, because your action is really encouraging me to come up with more knowledge videos. If you're looking forward for more knowledge on MECM, that is Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager, then please click subscribe so that you get more updates related to MECM. With this is your host Yagnesh Malavya thanking you for watching this video.